took my hand, touched my heart, held me close. You were always there by my side, night and day, through it all. Baby, come what may, swept away on a wave of emotion. We're caught in the eye of the storm, and whenever you smile, I can hardly believe that you're mine. Believe that you're mine. This love is unbreakable, it's unmistakable, and each time I look in your eyes, I know why. This love is untouchable, I feel in my heart, just can't deny. Each time I look in your eyes, oh baby, I know why. This love is unbreakable. Share the laughter, share the tears. We both know we'll go on from here, 'cause together we are strong. In my arms, that's where you belong. I've been touched by the hands of an angel, I've been blessed by the power of love, and whenever you smile, I can hardly believe that you're mine. This love is unbreakable, it's unmistakable. Each time I
Kalomsesane ndiyakuthembisa wena Anele Tabane ukuba ndizokuthanda, ndikuhloniphe, ndikunakekele ngalo lonke ixesha ndisidla ubomi kunye nawe, kuze kubuye inkosi uYesu Kristu. Yenza njalo ke bhuti. Ngakhalezisa bhuti, don't rush. Oh hallelujah. Ngalomsesane ndiyathembisa wena Anzola Ndabeni ukuba ndizokuthanda, ndikuthobele, ndikuhloniphe ngalo lonke ixesha, ndisidla ubomi kunye nawe, ze kubuye inkosi uYesu Kristu. Ngenza njalo sisi.
This love is unbreakable.
Anele, ndikuthengele esi sipho, ufuna nje anamazwi amanintsi ukutsho uba ndiyakuthanda.
Can you feel my heart? Tell me as I kneel down at your feet, I knew there would come a time when these two hearts would entwine. Just put your hand in mine forever. For so long I have been an island where no one could ever reach these shores. And we've got a whole lifetime to share, and I'll always be there, darling, this I swear. So please believe me, for these words I say are true. And don't deny me.
You know what?
A lifetime love. If you ask, will I be true? Do I give my all to you? Then I will say I do. I'm ready to begin this journey. Well, I'm with you with every step you take, and we've got a whole lifetime to share, and I